Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you opened this video because today we're gonna unbox and review together with you STEVE Madden's bag. And I received this purchase just yesterday evening, and I'll show you. I didn't even open it. I mean, I opened the package, but the bag is still inside. It's still like fully packed, and I wanted to make it more genuine, this review. So we unpack it together with you. You see my first reaction, and I will tell you my 100% honest opinion because I'm not getting paid for that. I'm not doing it to promote anyone. It's just 100% fully honest because I personally love purses and I love good quality, suitable price purses. So let's don't talk any longer and let's start. Let's start from telling few words about STEVE Madden, about his brand policy. STEVE Madden is American fashion designer and he is known as a shoe king. He started his business just with $1,100 and he started from shoe production, and now he owns a huge empire, and they do not just shoe now, purses, clothes, accessories, and I personally own one of his items. Let me show you this STEVE Madden backpack, and I have it since like 2-3 years, maybe longer, and it's in perfect condition till now, and I can't complain. Like, straps are perfect, material is perfect, bindings are perfect, like everything. And I mean, look at this design. Isn't it really cute backpack? And a good thing about STEVE Madden is that it's affordable prices. I mean, it's higher than mass market, but again, it's a famous brand, higher levels than mass market brands. Therefore such price. So I order my purse as usually from Zalando, and as usually I will leave you all the links. Normally I leave a link for Zalando website and from original website of an item in case if I find it. Anyway, just check description down below and you will find everything necessary. So time to unbox this beauty. Today we are sitting in this nice pastel colors environment, as you see, and I'm also wearing this like dirty pink colored top because this purse today has this beautiful color, and I saw that everything around it should fit. Anyway, I fell in love with the color first. Normally I'm not a fan of like bright colors, and in general I would always prefer like monochrome nude outfits and items like this, but when colors are like these ones or like this, it's not like too crazy bright, eye-catching, then I am really big fan and I'm really fully on. So let's unwrap everything and see what is inside. I get scissors so we can cut off all the straps, and here on the side as usual there is tags. Let's remove them, and actually it's packed pretty well this time, and they pack each and every part of a bag, and especially all the bindings packed very well. Okay, I removed everything from outside. Let's now open and see how it's inside. But before I open, I want to tell that bag is not really properly balanced. I mean, when I hold it like this, I feel that this part is heavier because it has these accessories with logo and STEVE Madden name. It looks really nice and you actually can easily remove it, but it definitely makes bag heavier. Let's open. Wow, the lock is so nice, and again on the side has name. And what do we have inside? We have this, whoa, pretty heavy long strap. Is it the same thickness? Yeah, they're the same thickness and has this very nice bindings. I mean, look at this details, very well done. Wow. And I know that Steve Madden use artificial leather, and it's like very good quality because they care about environment, they care about animals. So I know that there is a small percentage of genuine leather in their items, but it's very small and mostly done from high quality artificial leather. Well, this strap is quite heavy, and I think it's more or less the same weight as a purse, and I would say for such a size the purse is a little bit heavy. I think it should be lighter, but again I think it's from all these additional accessories that you can easily remove, so it shouldn't be a problem, right? So what do we have inside? Okay, the purse is not that big, but I mean, you see the size from outside, right? And like compared to human head, for example, this is the size, because when you purchase online, even if they write you centimeters, you are not always sure how exactly it will look, right? It's me deciding it's the pictures with humans, you know, but unfortunately not all brands and not always provide such pictures. For example, sometimes you purchase something from Zara and they just show an item and they don't show how it will look on a human, and I mean, come on, how are we supposed to imagine it, right? Anyway, inside there is one zip lock. Inside there is one pocket with zipper, and it's quite narrow. Like, I mean, my hand does fit, but I don't think we can fit much inside the purse. Outside we also have, wow, quite big pocket, and I mean, the hand is easily fitting there. I'm sure a phone will fit there, and inside one more pocket. So two pockets inside, one with zip lock and one like half outer pocket, you know, semi-outdoor, how we tell it in architecture. And yeah, actually material is very nice, and inside it's done also from nice material with the logo and everything. And as usually they provide this thingy, you know, to prevent smell, I guess. I really do like the lock here. It's actually in a shape of real locker, and it's like so fun to open and close it. And almost on every single part of a bag there is a name. Yeah, quite nice. And in a bottom part, this bag has this interesting elements. It's like, first I thought that it's actually a strap, you know, but no, it's just an element, it's not removable. And overall I can tell you that the bag is quite nice. I like it. I think I am going to keep it. And if I'm not wrong, the price was below 70 euros. I will write here exactly how much it cost. And I have premium Zalando subscription. It actually just cost 15 euros annually, and with this premium subscription you get delivery faster, sometimes in the same day, or premium evening delivery, like after 8 o'clock, for example, if you are a job. This is what I do. And because, you know, in Germany, when you are not at home and your package come, they leave it to neighbors, and I have deliveries quite often, and I work full time. I normally come back from my job around 8 o'clock, and every time I have to go to my neighbors and pick up my items from them. And by now I feel so ashamed doing it. I think my neighbors will hate me if I keep doing it. That's why I get the premium delivery subscription from Zalando, so they deliver me in the evening. I don't need to bother anyone, and I mean, it's really nice. You order in the morning, in the evening item is in your hand. And gradually we came to the end of this video. I really hope that my review was helpful for you and you get something out of it. And if you were considering buying the bag, now you know for sure should you purchase it or not. And thank you so much for staying till the end of the video. Thank you for clicking on the video in the beginning and using this opportunity. I want to show you my Instagram account. I am posting there every day, lots of stories, lots of real life events and fashion, of course. I mean, come on. So if you're interested, I will always leave a link to my Instagram down below. And I wish you to have a good shopping and see you on my next video. Bye bye.